Your level will rise when you start listening to me. Hi, this is the Maxbot channel. Let's grow together. My rich experience in trading is 10 years. I use powerful tools in my strategies. One of them is a robot with AI, which collects indicator data in real time and gives detailed reports and recommendations. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a paid subscription. And right now I start on the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar, time frame 5 minutes. An active purchase is a recommendation from artificial intelligence. 7 indicators glow green. I agree with this verdict of the bot. The robot's data update periodicity is 1 minute. I clicked on the green button on the broker's website. I can see from the historical data that the bulls have been doing a pretty good job of saturating the market with volume in the past hour. I also see the uptrend reversing to the downside. But now, thanks to the oversold momentum, buyers have a chance to push the price up a bit again by pushing off the support zone. This momentum could play a significant role in my entire trade. Folks, so you don't miss out on important new content, informative videos, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment, we care about your feedback. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. You can have the perfect strategy. You can read charts like Neo reads the Matrix. But if you don't manage your money, you're toast. Rule number 1, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If you've got $500, you're risking $5 to $10 a trade. That might seem tiny, but trust me, that's your shield. That's your force field against account killers. Go watch Iron Man. Tony doesn't charge into battle without the suit. This is your suit. And without it, you're just a dude throwing punches in the dark. Let me tell you something about success. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots in his career. Oprah told she wasn't fit for TV. Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Do you think Elon Musk got SpaceX right on the first try? Nope. Rockets exploded, bills stacked, the world laughed, but they kept going. Like Rocky in round 12. Like Frodo still climbing Mount Doom. Like every trader who took 10 losses and hit gold on the 11th. You're not losing, you're learning, and that means you're getting dangerous. Here's the twist. You don't need to fight this battle alone anymore. Meet your new best friend, an AI-powered robot assistant designed to help you analyze market trends, track indicators, and identify quality entries. It's like having Sherlock Holmes with a Bloomberg terminal in your corner. No, it won't press the buy button for you. But it'll tell you why the market looks the way it does. It'll save you hours. It'll sharpen your edge. And guess what? It's 100% free for now. So if you want to trade smarter, not just harder, hit the link in the description and integrate it today. Your future self will thank you. I just did some good work with the robot. It's time to take another step. A step for quality trading. I changed the currency pair. Euro to dollar. I increased the investment amount, $2,114. Artificial intelligence is rapidly scanning the market. Its verdict is an active buy. This is a 5-minute time frame. 7 green indicators. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. So, I see on the historical data many blocks with green bars on the volume histogram. Yes, buyers were saturating the market more confidently than sellers. But for the past half hour, the market has been in a state of consolidation. What will happen next? I think that further buyers will be able to develop their potential and push back from the support zone more than once, creating new powerful impulses. The bears will resist, but they will not be able to change the situation in the short term. My team will help you with your training. To chat about it, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. The link below the video. I know people who were stuck in 9 to 5s. Call centers, retail, delivery trucks. They weren't born into money. They didn't have hedge fund mentors. But they studied, tracked, journaled, and now, they trade mornings and surf afternoons. They work from Airbnbs. They live. Freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. And it starts here. Don't let anyone sell you the dream without the reality. Trading involves risk, just like building a business, or writing a book, or chasing a dream. The difference? You manage this one. Risk isn't the villain, it's your sparring partner. Learn its moves, respect it, control it, and it becomes your training tool, not your downfall. Here's how you level up fast. Keep a trading journal. Log what you did, why you did it, and what happened. Study price action. Don't just stare at indicators. Watch how price respects key levels. Use multiple confirmations. MACD, RSI, trend lines. 1 signal is noise, 3 is signal. Zoom out. Bigger timeframes reveal bigger truths. Every chart is a story. Learn to read it like a novel, not a tweet. Let's go future mode. Big data isn't sci-fi. It's here. Our robot assistant taps into thousands of trades, market reactions, and volatility clusters to predict sentiment shifts before they hit mainstream. Think like Tony Stark. You're not building with guesswork. You're building with precision, with data, with intelligence, hidden trend lines, microcycles, volume bursts, all exposed by the assistant. It's your third eye, and it sees everything. So, I've completed my work. You can see the result. Write in the comments what is your favorite indicator. Subscribe and click on the bell. See you soon.